We are hunters, voices strong. That's who we're meant to be. Just hide away a few more days, then I'll be free. Waited so long to break these walls out, to wake up and feel like me. But these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. Not covering the poison that seems on my skin. Not wondering if some days the darkness would win. Fought through all the time, and somehow I survived. Our voices are power.